Hello viewers, in this video we are going to see the basic structure of a C program. After watching this video, you will be comfortable write your own programs with ease. The very first lines of a program consist of header files. Then it will be followed by global variables and function declarations. Then comes the main function where the C program execution starts, then followed by function definitions. So there are four major components in a C program. Those are header files, global variables and function declarations, main function and function definitions. So let us see one by one. The first statements of the program are header files. For example, we have hash include stdio.h. .h indicates that it is an header file. So what are header files? Header files are those which contains function declarations and definitions for inbuilt C library functions or predefined C functions. For example, printf and scanf are the standard input and output functions which are defined and declared in stdio.h. Files will be followed by global variables declaration and function declaration. What are global variables? Why do we use them? Global variables are the variables which can be accessed through entire program in any function. Global variables will be declared as follows. Hash define variable name and the constant value which is to be assigned to the variable. For example, here we have hash define pi 3.14. Pi is a variable which have been assigned with 3.14 value. So in the program, anywhere we can use the pi variable, which will be replaced with 3.14 value. So I hope global variables concept is clear, and global variables will be followed by function declarations. We know how to declare a function as we have discussed in the functions video. So to declare a function, first there will be a data type, then function name followed by parenthesis and semicolon. If you have any doubt in function declaration, please go to functions video and refer it. Global variables will be followed by main function. This is the line from where execution of a program starts. In this section, we will have two parts. First one is local declarations and the second one is program statements. Local declaration means declaring of local variables. For example, we'll be using some variables in function, in main function, right? For example, int a, int b, character name, these all come under local declarations. And then followed by program statements. Program statements are those which will include all the expressions, conditional statements, control structures like for loop, while loop, do while, etc. So here is the syntax of the main function. First of all, we'll have return type, which is maybe int, char, void or float. Then it will be followed by main word, that is a keyword, then followed by opening closing parenthesis, which will be followed by opening brace. After opening brace, we have to write all the statements that are to be included in the program. After statements, if we use int main, then we should return something from the program. The compiler will expect a returning value from the function as we have used int main. So we'll use return 0 statement, then closing brace. If we use void main, void means nothing, so compiler will not expect any value to return from the program. After opening and closing braces, as we discussed, it will be followed by function definitions. We have to define all the functions that are being declared in the declaration sections after header files. Okay, function definitions will consist of all the code for which that function is being written. Here is the very basic simple C program. The first line consists of header files followed by main function. Here global declaration section and function declaration section is being skipped as that is not a mandatory. section, we can directly write the main function. After the main function, it will be followed by opening brace, and then as our goal is to print something to output screen, that is hello, I'm a simple C program. Here we have only one statement, that is printf statement. As we have used void main, function expects nothing to return, so there is no return statement here. Then it is followed by closing brace. This is a very simple example of a C program. Thank you. Please do subscribe for more videos.